Hello everyone, today we are going to make winter special chicken veg soup, and to make that we need some chicken. As you can see, I'm taking a small piece of chicken and I'll boil this, some salt and some ginger garlic paste to boil, and my veggies, cornstarch and some sauces. Now let's get started with our first step. I'm taking pressure cooker. I'll be adding my chicken to this, some ginger garlic paste, 1/3 teaspoon or half teaspoon, salt, half teaspoon, and some water. Now I'll be pressure cooking this for 1 whistle. You can also boil it for 10 minutes. Now after pressure cooking my chicken, you can see that my chicken is nice and tender. Use 2 forks to shred your chicken, or you can use knife to make small pieces, and keep this aside. Use the same pressure cooker with some chicken water left in it. Add some sweet corns, your cabbage as well as beans. Add some salt. I'll add just 2 pinches. Your chicken and water. Add enough water and let this get boiled. Now you can see it is nicely cooked. Add how much ever quantity water you like to add to your soup, and then now take 2 bowls. First make your cornstarch paste. Add 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add some water, and I made this paste and I'm keeping it aside. It's not too thick, not too thin. It should just dilute this. Now in another bowl add some pepper. I'm using 2 teaspoons with the cap size of soya sauce. And some green chili, 2 teaspoons. And some hot sauce. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of it or less. It's very hot, so I don't prefer to add too much. Just mix this. Now you can see that my water is boiling hot. Add your sauce mixture to this and stir it. Add cornstarch. Make sure that you don't add at a time. Just make it 2 rounds or 3 rounds. Add slowly and make sure to keep your temperature on medium flame. Now while my soup is getting ready, I'll be adding some egg white to this. I really like the way soup is being served in restaurant, that they have egg threads. You can see that just beat your egg nicely until it gets watery and there is no stickiness between the egg. Now when your mixture is boiling, then add your egg white and stir your spoon very fast so that you can see the egg getting finely threads like shape. If you don't stir it fast, you might see the big pieces. And at last your soup is ready to serve.